Hello, welcome to week 2 of English 102. I wanted to point out a couple things that we're going to be doing this week. So if you're watching along, then you'll be ready and prepared for week 2. One of the very first things that I would like for every student to do at the beginning of the week is to look at the lecture. This lays out all the important objectives that we're going to be doing for that week and even beyond. Particularly for week 2, as you can see, we're doing writing, revision, reading, and reflecting. And those are all skills that we're going to be looking at over the next several weeks. So good reading skills mean that you not only just read it once, but you go back and reread it so you become more familiar with that. I also recommend, if you have a notepad out, jotting down some notes. So those are things that if you need to go back to look at something, you need more information, then you can write that on your paper. Okay. There's also a printable version if that's something that you would like to do. If you are somebody that's visual or tactile, like to have that printed copy out. I recommend doing that if that's something that you like. Of course, we have our weekly discussion board post. And this week, you're going to be talking about being a better reader of workplace-related documents. Just a couple reminders. 3 different days each week, 3 different classmates each week. And you make sure that you're commenting and posting about this week's topics, and you'll be right on target. The other thing we have most weeks during this course is the Check Your Knowledge. That is for you to work on your skills. It's not a graded assignment. It's not timed, and you can go back again and take it multiple times. One of the big assignments we have this week is creating a summary. You're going to read an article. The article is called Why We Still Need Feminism by Casey Kavanaugh, and you'll click here and the article will pop up in another window. What you want to do is utilize the strategies from this week's lecture. Okay, this is can be thought of as a controversial topic, or just kind of a little bit of a heated topic, not something that none of us can handle. But I say that because I don't want you to write a summary with your opinion. Okay, because a summary is more like, it's just the facts, ma'am. You're writing what you read from that article. Doesn't have anything to do with your own opinion or anything that you may already have knowledge of about the topic. It is using the highlighting and note-taking and annotation that you're learning this week. And then you're going to compose a summary about that article, which means no quotes or no personal opinions about the article. And lastly, you'll round out the week with a reading reflection. And this is all of the reading that you're doing this week. And this is just another way for you to reconnect with the skills that you're learning, the highlighting, the annotating, taking notes. So it's kind of you taking inventory of what you've learned this week, which is a lot. Each week is jam-packed. Please email anytime you have questions. Make sure you're completing all the requirements for the discussion board. And I'm always here to help. Have a great week.